Hi guys, I'm Megan Brightwood and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very small knit crate unboxing for you. I've actually only got one crate this month to unbox, but before I get into that, I wanted to talk about the projects that I'd made last month. So if you saw my January knitting update, you probably already saw these projects, but I'm still very excited about them. I am typically just strictly a knitter, but I do know how to crochet, and the crochet projects this month were just speaking to me. So both of the projects I did in the crochet side of things. So the first project from the main crate is this one. This is the Snowfall Scarf by Talia's Crochet Creations, and it's made out of an Audine Wools Twinkle DK yarn. So it's an 80% merino, 10% cashmere, and 10% stellina yarn, and it's so sparkly. I'm sure it's not coming across on camera, but it's gorgeous, and it's got this really pretty fringe here. It's made out of pretty much entirely double crochet and chain stitches, so very, very simple, which was awesome for me because I am not a confident crocheter. Like I said, I'm pretty much just a knitter, so this was a really nice kind of beginner project for me, and I think it looks amazing. The colorway is roller skates, and it works with pretty much everything in my closet. So yeah, I really loved this project. Then I also decided to do the crochet pattern from the sock crate, which was really exciting. I've never crocheted socks before, and they are very thick, so I would consider them more like a slipper. I don't know that I would wear them with shoes or anything, but yeah, these are the Perfect Rank socks by the Firefly Hook, and they're made out of an Uru Yarns unicorn sock yarn in the colorway Hot Chocolate. So they're 75% merino and 25% nylon yarn, and I love these. These have totally inspired me to crochet more socks, which is why the crate that I'm going to be unboxing today is the sock crate. I am totally planning on doing the crochet pattern at this point. I don't actually know what the knit pattern looks like, so I could change my mind, but as of right now, like right this instant, I'm thinking I'm gonna crochet another pair of socks. So yeah, I love these. They have a waistcoat stitch, and I am not a crocheter, as I've said, but yeah, it's really cool. I hope you can kind of see the texture. It almost looks like a knit stitch right in between crochet stitches, and I think they're really cool. I love the flap here, and I love these so much. So yeah, these were the projects that I'd made from last month, so let's hop into my current sock crate. Okay, so the first thing in here is this card. This talks about the theme for the month. So for the month of January, the theme was shadows, and this is also the card where you can download the booklet for the actual projects. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'm gonna talk you through all of the projects that were in this month's crates, so the main crate and the sock crate, and then we'll talk about what else is in this little bag back here. For the main crate, the knit pattern was a cabled hat by Vanessa Ewing, and personally I love cables. I have for years. I've kind of branched out a little bit more, but cables just look so rich and elegant, and this chunky yarn would make it pretty quick to make up as well. So if you're just getting started into cabling, this would probably be a good project, and I think it's really pretty too. So yep, there's the main knit pattern, and then for the crochet pattern, I don't know, I must just be on kind of a crochet kick. I think I've figured out that I can kind of do it, so now I want to do more of it. But anyway, the project for the main crochet crate is the No Count Cozy Cowl by Sheepishly Sharing, and this is so pretty. It almost looks like it's been knit, but it just looks so nice and simple. I would totally do this if I had gotten the main crate this month. So moving on to the sock crate, the knit pattern for this month is Flurry Feeling Socks by Megan Williams of Just Run Knit Designs, and not gonna lie, this is cool. So this is the kind of pattern that I get really excited about as far as knitting goes, because there is so much going on that it looks like it would be a challenge, and that it really gets me excited. So I don't know. I know I had said that I was probably going to be doing the crochet pattern in this crate, but those are cool. So I'm not sure yet. I might decide to do this. So let's take a look at the crochet pattern from the sock crate. So these are the Wright's Shadow Socks by Jessica Smith Hetrick from Fig Pox Farms Design. And they are nice. They kind of have like a striped texture around the circumference of the foot, which would be kind of cool. But I don't know, I have those knit socks stuck in my head. They just look so complex that I'm thinking I might have changed my mind and I might go back to the knit side of things. Just for this crate, I do totally want to crochet more socks, and it has nothing against these socks either. I want to make that very clear. I think these are really cool. I might still try them out of some other fingering weight yarn that I have, but the complexity of those other socks, that might have sold me. So let's take a look at what is in here as far as an extra and the actual yarn. Let's do the extra first so that I'm just gonna hang on to as long as I can for the yarn. So the extra is this little stress ball. It says, "My other stress ball is yarn." I love that. And this, so I'm not much of a stress ball person. I don't get too excited about them. However, my kids love swimming, and this would be a really nice little ball to include in their swim bag. So if we can find some place to go swimming, that might be kind of fun. I have no idea where that ball went. It just flew out of my hands. So yeah, I am really excited about that ball. My kids are gonna love it. And let's take a look at the yarn. So the yarn, ooh, this is pretty. I didn't realize it was gonna be another Stellina yarn. So this is Uru Yarn's Twinkle Toes, and it's a 55% superwash merino, 20% nylon, 15% kid mohair, and 10% Stellina. So this is a cool looking yarn. It's in the colorway Twilight, so it's a really pretty kind of periwinkle purple almost. I'm really excited about this. This is gonna be fun. So this isn't probably the kind of color that I would pick out myself, but that's kind of the fun thing about KnitCrate, is that it does kind of push you out of your comfort zone a little bit, and you can kind of try things that you wouldn't necessarily do otherwise. So I am really excited to start working on this, and these are probably gonna be those knit socks. I'm excited to try this. So that is going to do it for my KnitCrate unboxing for today. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you did, certainly give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, certainly hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you know whenever I put up a new video. And I think I'm gonna get going, but I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!